Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Strategy and I am Moksha. So today I'm going to cover one of the most interesting and useful topic of Excel VBA. So today I'm going to show how do we create our own formula using a VBA code. So I have some logic here like I have to find out the discount of total sales value. If the sales value is total sales value is less than 5,000, the discount has to be 10%. Otherwise, if the sales value is greater than 5,000, discount value has to be 20%. So this is the simple logic that I have in my mind. So Excel itself has given a lots of formulas, but sometimes we come across a situation where we do not find any formula that works for our logic. So in that situation, we can create our own formula and use it. So this is the best method uh, to utilize our logic and convert that logic in a function or a formula. So let's create our own formula. As usual, go to Visual Basics. Insert a new module here. Module, okay. One module is automatically inserted. So the difference between a normal VBA procedure and function is that it's a procedure. A usual procedure starts with the keyword sub, and sub do not returns a value to a calling area or calling other procedure or a calling function, but functions always return a value to the calling area or a calling function or calling procedure. So this is the basic difference between a sub procedure and a function. Function starts with a keyword. So let's create a function of discount. So as I told, functions start with a keyword function and process start with the keyword sub. So my function is discount. Function is basically formula. In Excel term, it can be called a formula. So I'm creating a formula of discount. So what formula does and what formula takes as input. So let's take example of VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP takes 4 parameters to process the value and give the value return value. So VLOOKUP value, table array, and column number, column index and number. So these are the four parameters that goes to this VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, it's also the Excel formulas. Basically, the Excel formula also are the library functions or method that are stored somewhere in Excel libraries. So these are called the predefined functions, which are given by the Microsoft itself in Excel library somewhere. So calling this, you passing this parameter to this Excel formulas, we actually passing parameter to a function that process the things and returns the values. Okay. So our input to our function would be the sales value, and the function will process the sales value and calculate the discount accordingly. So take a input parameter as sales value. Okay, this is the parameter that is passing to this discount function. So let's accordingly calculate the discount. If sales value is less than 5,000, then discount equal to sales value multiply. So we are following the BODMAS rules here. and if. So one of our condition is being satisfied here. So what is it? This if statement is doing that is taking the input from user as a sales value input as a sales value, and is checking the sales value. If sales value is less than 5,000, then discount. What this is? This is basically the same function that is being used here. So we are working in. So we are passing the output sales discount output to discount function itself. So this is the way to return the value to the calling function itself. Okay. Now move ahead to the second condition. If the sales value is greater than 5,000, and then discount, just copy and paste this statement here and just change the discount percentage here. So there are two conditions: sales value coming as a parameter to this function, processing it, and returning the discount calculated discount value to the discount function, the calling function, the same function we are working on. Okay, let's use equal here, but otherwise it will skip the 5,000 limit. So this is we had a small logic, and that logic is being converted in a formula. Now start using this formula. Okay, sorry, I've used the other logical expression here. So let's check that this formula is working well or not. If we type the discount here, the discount function will start appearing here. This is the discount function or formula that we have coded now. So let's take the input parameter like this. Okay, this is working well. Let's say it's working well for others also. Equal to discount. Okay. Oh, yeah, it is working well. So if value is less than 5,000, it's returning 10% discount. If value is greater than 5,000, it is returning 20% discount. So this by this way, by creating a function in Excel, we can convert our any logic in Excel formula and use it. I hope you enjoyed this valuable video. So better use it, and please keep follow me and subscribe and like my videos. This is Moksha and you're watching Excel Stacy. Bye bye.